Welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory and in today's video, we're going to be making a snack bag using photo mat paper from TeckWrap and holographic laminate sheets. With anything else to say, let's get started. In Zule Studio, I'm going to place the size of my paper on A4 and I'm going to turn on the option of Show Print Border. Now I'm going to add a rectangle in the size that is inside of the border. To make this rectangle that is going to be on the center, you're going to take the measurement of this first rectangle and divide it in two, and that will be the measurement for the center rectangle. Once you have done that, you're going to move that rectangle in the center a little to the left, because we need to leave one side of our snack bag longer so that when we join them, they are even. Now I'm going to add the background to our snack bag and all of the details that I'm going to use for it, and add another background to the centerpiece. Now let's start the full design of our snack bag. Continue adding details until your design is complete. Then, send it to print and always remember to choose the type of paper you're using and the highest possible print quality. Now that I have my design ready, I'm going to laminate. Let's see what styles we have over here. Look all of these styles, they are so beautiful. Because of the theme of the snack bag, I'm going to use this laminate that have some snowflakes and it looks really pretty. And look how beautiful. I love it. Now, let's cut our design so we can assemble our snack bag. Now we begin to fold the sides to form our bag. Now let's use some hot glue so we can paste our snack bag. Now place the snack on the inside of the bag and then seal the top with some hot glue. I will use a scissor to cut the bottom and the top of my bag. And here's the final result of our snack bag using the photo paper mat from TeckWrap and the snowflake laminate. I really love it. I love the colors and the quality is amazing. If you like today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!